Hello friends, let's start with question number 6 of your textbook today of Journal Proper, that is on page number 199. Record the following transactions in the Journal Proper of Rakesh. Gave goods of rupees 5,000 to another ashram. See, over here they have already specifically given कि भाई आपको journal proper बनानी है और जो भी transaction है journal proper में लिखने हैं. So without wasting any more time, let's just start doing the journal proper in the books of whom? Rakesh, right? So Rakesh, the very first अनाथ आश्रम में goods दिए, correct? ऐसा कुछ बोला गया है question में, yes. 5,000 के goods अनाथ आश्रम में दिए. What will be the journal entry? We have already done such kind of questions, right? So the entry will be donation account debit, to purchase account 3,000 and 3,000. Then next, oh, it was 5,000, so let me just make it clear. 5,000 and 5,000. Then next, distributed goods of rupees 4,000 as free samples में हमने goods distribute करे. So my entry would be advertisement expense account debit, as free samples है, so advertisement expense account debit to purchase account, advertisement expense account debit to purchase account. It will be 4,000 and 4,000. Then next, withdraw goods of rupees 8,000 from business for personal use. Personal use के लिए goods withdraw करे, correct? So over here my entry will be drawings account debit to purchase account, whatever the amount is, how much it is, 8,000, so 8,000 and 8,000. Then next, purchased furniture of rupees 3,000 by giving goods of rupees 2,800. This is excellent transaction, we have studied this in past also. 2,800 के goods दिए और furniture buy करा. Over here हमने furniture, भले ही furniture की value is 3,000, but मेरी cost कितनी हुई furniture buy करने की? 2,800, correct? So over here my entry would be furniture account debit to purchase account. It will be 2,800 and 2,800. Is it completely fine? Let's move ahead. Goods of rupees 7,000 were destroyed by fire, for which the insurance company accepted a claim of rupees 5,500. Goods गए कितने के? 7,000 के, but insurance company accepted a claim of rupees only 5,500. Can I say 1,500 will be the loss? So over here my entry would be insurance company account debit 5,500, loss by fire account debit 1,500, to purchase account 7,000. Completely fine. Let's move ahead. An amount of rupees 2,000 receivable from Nirali which cannot be received now. तो 2,000 हमें निराली से लेने थे जो अब हमें नहीं मिल पाएंगे. So my entry would be over here bad debts account debit to Nirali's account 2,000 and 2,000. Then next, राइट ऑफ डेप्रीसिएशन ऑन मशीन रुपीज़ 800. सो मशीनरी की वैल्यू को कम करना है, मशीनरी पे डेप्रीसिएशन चार्ज करना है. सो माई एंट्री वुड बी डेप्रीसिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू मशीन अकाउंट 800 and 800. Then next, Salary of the month of March is unpaid rupees 7800. We have not paid it yet, right? It is my liability, it is outstanding, right? And salary is my expense, so expense will be debited and liability will be credited, as we all know. So my entry over here would be salary account debit to outstanding, or you may use the word unpaid salary account. It will be 7800 and 7800. Is it completely all right? Let's move ahead then. Question number 7. Journal proper in the books of whosoever the name is. Let's see. Ekta. Right? Chalo. Let's start doing it. Brought furniture of 7,000, goods of 15,000, machinery of 20,000 to the business. So goods yani ki stock, furniture and machinery is coming in. Let's write it down. First date or first transaction, furniture account debit, stock account debit, machine account debit, to capital account. How much it is? It is 20,000, 15,000 and 7,000. So let's just write it down. 7,000, 15,000 and 20,000. 20 it is, right? So 22 plus 20, so 42,000 over here, correct? Then next, scientific calci of 2,000 and cellular phone of 25,000 is purchased from Kamlesh Traders. Kamlesh Traders के पास से buy करा है. Scientific calculator will be considered as my stationery expense definitely, and cellular phone I am supposed to write it separately. So over here my entry would be stationery expense account debit 2,000, mobile phone or cellular phone, anything you can write, account debit 25,000 to Kamlesh Traders account, it will be 27,000. Completely fine. Let's move ahead then. Fan of 2500 purchase for household by giving goods of rupees 3,000. 2500 का goods fan buy करा by giving goods of rupees 3,000. और हमने क्या consider करना है? goods कितने के गए मेरे पास से? 3,000 के गए कि नहीं से मुझे cost price तो 3,000 की पड़ी, but that is for what? That is for household purpose, right? So over here my entry would be this. बहुत ही अच्छा ट्रांजेक्शन है, ध्यान यहाँ पे. ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट डेबिट, भले ही फैन बाय करा पर हाउस होल्ड पर्पज है तो आई एम सपोज टू राइट ड्रॉइंग्स ओनली, टू परचेज अकाउंट and my goods are going out of rupees 3,000, so 3,000 and 3,000. Chalo. Then next, drew a bill of rupees 8,000 on Namrata, which she accepted and she आएगा यहाँ पे, that is okay, accepted and written. हमने drew हमने बिल बनाया, नम्रता को दिया, नम्रता ने साइन करके वापस दिया. कैन आई से इट इज अ बिल्स रिसीवेबल फॉर मी? सो ओवर हियर बिल्स रिसीवेबल्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू नम्रता 8,000. फोर्थ एंट्री, बिल्स receivables account debit to Namrata's account 8,000 and 8,000. Then next, Bill of Namrata endorsed to Yesha against her debt of rupees 8050. 8050 we were supposed to pay to येशा. जो हमने नम्रता का बिल था वही येशा को दे दिया एज अगेंस्ट हर डेट कि नहीं से हमें 50 रुपीज़ का डिस्काउंट मिला येशा के पास से. सो माई एंट्री ओवर हियर विल बी ऑन 5th of the transaction. येशा's account debit 8050 to बिल्स रिसीवेबल्स अकाउंट, क्योंकि हम उसको बिल्स रिसीवेबल दे रहे हैं 8000 टू डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड, क्योंकि येशा को हमें पैसे कितने देने थे 8050 बट वी आर गिविंग हर 8000 एंड वी आर जस्ट सेटलिंग द अकाउंट. सो 50 रुपीज़. इज इट फाइन? चलो देन लेट्स मूव अहेड. Bill of 6000 drawn by Bharat accepted by us and returned to him. भरत ने ड्रॉ करके हमें दिया, हमने साइन करके रिटर्न किया. कैन आई से इट इज अ बिल्स पेएबल. सो माई एंट्री ओवर हियर विल बी Bharat's account debit to bills payable account. How much it is? 6000, right? So 6000 and 6000. Then next, goods of 8000 were stolen away from the godown, for which insurance company accepted a claim of only 75% amount. Correct? So over here इंश्योरेंस कंपनी has accepted only 6000 रुपीज़ का क्लेम, बाकी के 2000 will be loss. So my entry over here would be insurance company's account debit $6,000, loss by theft account debit 2000, to purchase account 8000. Completely fine. Let's move ahead. An amount of 8000 is receivable from Nirav and 8200 is payable to Nalin. नीरव के पास से 8000 रिसीव होने हैं, करेक्ट, एंड नलिन को 8200 पे करने हैं, करेक्ट. द अकाउंट ऑफ नलिन वॉज सेटल्ड बाय नीरव एक्सेप्टिंग टू पे रुपीज़ 8000. मतलब क्या हुआ इसका, समझना अच्छे से. नीरव के पास से मुझे 8000 मिलने वाले हैं और नलिन को मुझे 8200 पे करने हैं. हमने क्या बोला भाई 8000 पे करो और बात खत्म करो, करेक्ट. कैन आई से नीरव इज गोइंग टू गिव मी एंड नलिन इज गोइंग टू रिसीव द मनी. सो ओवर हियर माई एंट्री विल बी लाइक दिस. नलिन इज द रिसीवर, राइट. सो नलिन्स अकाउंट डेबिट how much it will be 8200. Nirav is the giver. To Nirav's account it will be 8000 only. Then what about 200? That is discount that we have received. To discount received account it will be definitely 200. I hope it is clear. Nalin का 8200 we were supposed to pay to him, right? So Nalin को डेबिट करना था. टू कैश करते, अगर कैश से पे करते तो. पर यहाँ पे क्या बोला हमने, नीरव को बोल दिया भाई तू पे कर दे इसको, और 200 का हमने डिस्काउंट ले लिया, करेक्ट. सो माई एंट्री विल बी नलिन्स अकाउंट डेबिट टू नीरव्स अकाउंट टू डिस्काउंट रिसीव्ड अकाउंट. देन नेक्स्ट, कैश रिसीव फ्रॉम राजेंद्र फॉर बैड डेट रिकवर्ड रुपीज़ 2000. राजेंद्र के पास से कैश रिकवर हुई, दैट टू बैड डेट कुछ पास्ट का था वो. सो माई एंट्री वुड बी कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैड डेट रिकवर्ड अकाउंट. कभी भी नाम नहीं लिखना है इन केस ऑफ बैड डेट रिकवरी, क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं कौन से साल का रिकवर हुआ है, वो बंदे का अकाउंट ऑलरेडी क्लोज हो चुका है, करेक्ट. देन नेक्स्ट, 300 is payable to Manoj for interest. We are supposed to pay the interest, right? It is outstanding interest, I can say. So my entry would be interest account debit to outstanding, or you can even write interest payable account. because it is my liability. We are supposed to pay to Manoj kitna hai? It is 300, right? So 300 and 300. This is how you are supposed to pass the journal entries. Now there are 2 questions left in this chapter of the textbook. But ये दोनों जो questions है that we are going to cover in our part 2. That is rectification of errors. One thing we are going to cover in the rectification of errors, and the another thing that is question number 9 that we are going to cover in final accounts chapter. So for this journal proper topic, we are going to do only till question number 7, and the other 2 questions we are going to cover in the part 2. I hope you all are clear with the journal proper thing. Thank you.